Before you invest your time, money, and energy into learning UI UX design, there's one honest question you need to ask yourself. Is UI UX design still worth it in 2026, or has the market become too crowded? With AI tools getting smarter and design workflows changing so fast, it's completely normal to feel confused about whether this field still has long-term value or not. Hi, I'm Chitra, your UI UX mentor and career coach. I've been working in this field for several years now, and in this video, I'll share what's really happening in the industry today. No hype, just real insights to help you make the right career decision. Before we start, if you're interested in entering this field, then I've added a link in description of an institute which can help you with proper guidance. Now, a lot has changed in this design world. New tools, new technologies, and higher expectations from companies have completely transformed how designers work. So let me break this down quickly and clearly. First, UI UX design is still worth it in 2026 because digital products are growing non-stop. Almost every business today, startup, traditional companies, and global brands, is investing in websites, mobile apps, and SaaS platforms. Earlier, companies just wanted to be online. Today, they want fast, easy, and enjoyable products. And that's exactly why skilled UI UX designers are still in demand. Second, UI UX remains a high-paying career with strong growth, but only for designers who focus on skill, not just tools. AI helps designers work faster, but companies pay more for people who can think, solve real problems, and improve user experiences, not just push pixels. Third one is that this is important. AI is not replacing UI UX designers, it's just changing the role. Tools like Figma AI can automate repetitive work, but empathy, decision-making, and user understanding still need humans. In 2026, adaptable designers who use AI smartly are the ones who succeed. Another key reason is that user-centered design is now a business priority. Users have zero patience for bad experiences. If a product is confusing, they leave, and companies know this. That's why UX designers play such a critical role in product success. UI UX also offers multiple career paths. You can grow into product design, UX research, design leadership, or even product management, which makes this a strong long-term career option. Learning UI UX is more accessible than ever, but yes, competition is higher. The designers who stand out are the ones with strong portfolios, real projects, and consistent learning. So yes, UI UX design is absolutely worth it in 2026. If you're ready to keep learning, adapt to AI, and focus on solving real users and business problems. If you are genuinely interested in entering this field and want proper guidance, I've shared a trusted institute link in description below. You can check it out. If this video helped, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.